Welcome back guys to Desi Boy's Kitchen. Please watch my video till end because I will be giving a shout out to one of our viewers, right? So today we're gonna make Mungi and Masoor Daal, right? I've been getting a lot of requests from parents and youngsters because this is everybody's favorite dal, right? They're asking how we can make a perfect Mungi Masoor Daal, right? So what we're gonna take is equal amount of mung dal and equal amount of masoor dal, yeah? There you go. Is that simple? So now our dal is clean. So what we're gonna do is this is our measurements, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 10 of these as a water in our dal. Stage 2, put it on a high flame, 1 teaspoon of salt and a 1 teaspoon of our turmeric, yeah? And we're gonna wait it to boil. So it's boiling now. All we're going to do is we're going to get a spoon and we're going to stir it, right? If you get any healthy on the side, make sure you take it and stir it well in your pan. Now you can see we had a big boil. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our pot at the back on the low burner, so on a back burner. While our lentils are cooking at the back on the back burner on a slow heat, so what we're going to do is we're going to make our tarka gravy, whatever you call it, which is like stage 3 of it, finishing it. Put a big spoon of our desi ghee, yeah? Our ghee is like hot now, so what we're going to do is we're going to put a teaspoon of garlic, teaspoon of ginger, as you see it's like nearly cooked. What we're going to do is we're going to put our chopped onions. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 big spoons, right? So which is pretty good because more onions goes into this dal. As you can see, the dal at the back is getting thicker and a lot of water is evaporated, right? I'm just going to try it it's not fully done yet. So what we're going to do is I'm going to add the same measurement which I had before. So I'm going to add a boiling water, 2 of these. So never put a cold water in it because the cold water is not going to do any justice to your dal, so make sure it's the same sort of temperature as boiling. So we're going to put a boiling water in it, right? So when you see your onions been caramelized, so we're going to add your chili. So what I'm going to do is these chilies are really strong. They're my last chili lot, so I'm just going to put half of teaspoon. So that goes in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add half a tin of tomatoes, which I've already crushed them, right? So this is 1 tin, right? So I'm just going to use half a tin. It's done. So what we're going to do is we're going to add half a spoon of garam masala, yeah? So mix it, right? This is done, all done. All we're going to do is pull this on the side and we're going to bring our pot at the front, switch the back gas on. Look at that, the dal's done. You see, it's broken, it's done, right? So all we're gonna do is we're gonna add our gravy, our tarka in it. And we're gonna give one big boil on the high flame. The dal is ready, look at that. And we can't make a dal without our magic of coriander. There you go, fresh coriander. Just take a good handful, put it in here. Wow. Mix it well. You know, every dish you make, you must rest it for 10 minutes. Today's shout out goes to Manjot Singh and Prakash Rathore. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Desi Boy Kitchen. DM me to tell me that you have liked and subscribed, and I will give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you guys. Thanks for the support. Bye for now.